Hi, today needlepointers.com is super excited to share with you a Patriotic Farmhouse rag wreath. This red, white, and blue fabric rag wreath is a fun way to welcome guests to your home on the 4th of July, Memorial Day, or any day. The wreath pattern is very easy to make. You just cut fabric strips and tie them to a wire wreath frame. The supplies you will need is a wire wreath form, red, white, and blue fabric, a rotary cutter, quilter ruler, and mat, or if you don't have that, you could still make this wreath using a scissor and ruler. The amount of fabric needed will depend on the size of the wreath you purchased. I am using a 14-inch wreath purchased at Dollar Tree. For the amount of fabric I used to make the 14-inch rag wreath, go to our needlepointers.com Patriotic Farmhouse rag wreath page by clicking the link in the video or in the description section. The easiest way to cut the fabric is with a rotary cutter, a quilter ruler, and a mat. With the fabric folded in half, make sure that there's a straight edge along the one edge, and then cut 8.5-inch strips. Now for the blue fabric, I'm cutting 2 strips. I will then place the 2 strips on top of each other. I will cut off the selvage on the one side, and then you're going to cut strips that are 1.5 inches wide. So the strips that you are cutting are 8.5 inches by 1.5 inch. And this is the easiest way of doing it, is with a rotary cutter. However, you can also use a scissor and a ruler to do it. Okay, I'm going to continue to cut these, and then I'll show you how to put them onto the wire wreath. Okay, turn the wreath so that the curved side is facing up. And now we're going to begin to add the blue strips. We're going to begin with one section at a time. Take the blue strip and place it under the outer 2 loops. Even it up on the top and then tie a knot. I'm using a single knot, however, you could use a double knot if you wanted. Take another strip and put it on the outside 2 wires. Again, tie a knot. Take a strip and put it on the middle 2. And tie a knot. Then push them up together. Okay, continue to do that, doing the same pattern over and over again. Do the outside 2 wires, the inside 2 wires, and the middle 2 wires. and slide them up. Continue to do that until you have all the blue fabric attached to the wire wreath form. Cut your white and your red strips the same way that you cut your blue ones, 1.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Okay, we're going to start with the white ones, and we're going to do the same method that we did before. We're going to start with the outside 2 wires and tie a knot. Then you're going to do the 2 inside ones and tie a knot, and then the middle. Push them up, and you're going to do that again with the white ones. You're going to use 3 more white ones. So you're going to use a total of 6 white ones. And after you do those, you're going to do 3 red ones. And then you're going to go back to the white ones. So you're going to do 6 white ones, 3 red ones, 6 white ones, 3 red ones, all the way around the wreath. So I'm going to continue, and then we'll see what the wreath looks like when it's finished. I finished the wreath and I'm delighted with the result. Did you like this tutorial? We are always interested in knowing what you think of our projects. Write a comment, like it, and share it with friends. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Are you interested in more wreath ideas? Head over to our free homemade wreath tutorial page by clicking the link for over 30 ideas for wreaths for all occasions.